off Luffy. Thus, he immediately launched an attack on them, while Jinbei, Sanji, and Zoro easily defeated the Fishman gang. But Sanji and Zoro kept arguing over who defeated more fishmen, making Jinbei feel helpless, while Frankie was preparing to unveil his new weapons, which excited Usopp and Chopper. At this time, Zoro and Sanji were still bickering. Forty saw his henchmen being continuously defeated, making him furious. He even attacked his own men, making them frightened. And Forty continued to order his men to capture Shirahoshi, while Frankie was introducing two new weapons to Usopp and Chopper, making them very excited. So, Frankie immediately showed them, on the side of the Fishman pirate gang preparing to attack Shirahoshi. Luckily, Brook arrived in time. Thus, he started playing music, making the Fishman pirates unaware of what he was doing. Unexpectedly, they felt like they were in a festival, making them excited and dancing to Brook's music, while these two commanders didn't understand what their men were doing. Unexpectedly, Brook swiftly attacked them, so fast that they didn't even realize. On Robin's side, she created two giant feet to prevent the Fishman gang from reaching Shirahoshi, while Frankie's group prepared for the demonstration of their new weapons. Gate number 4 opened, surprising the Fishman pirates greatly.
May
It
acrylic
was a
daw.
motorcycle, making
Meron
Luffy
mga
very
acrylic daw.
excited because it looked really cool. So Frankie immediately drove the motorcycle fist into the Fishman gang, but Robin seemed indifferent. When a large Fishman was about to attack Frankie, Sunny's gate number 5 opened, so the Fishman was immediately knocked down. It turned out to be a tank. Seeing this tank was
Ayan.
also very cool, making Luffy excited
So
to
ito
want to
yung
try
kwan,
it, while
motor
Chopper
plate.
was happy because he was in command. So Chopper
Metal na
immediately
metal.
ordered Usopp to control
Ito,
the tank for
acrylic.
the attack. Thanks to that, they defeated
Gaya
many
rin yan.
Fishman pirates, while the civilians were shocked because Luffy's group only had 10 people.
Sobrang
Yet,
kapal.
he could completely overpower
5
only
mm.
200,000 underlings. So,
So,
the
ayan.
civilians began cheering for Luffy,
So,
making Forty very
order po ito ni
He ordered the Kraken to appear.
Mama Ima.
This gigantic sea monster made everyone worried because it was the
So,
legendary
si Mama
monster.
Mama Ima
But Luffy's
sa Love
crew
Radio.
noticed that this octopus seemed familiar. Forty said he had tried to bring the Kraken from the North Pole
Dalawang
just to
plate
make it
niya,
his slave.
in order.
Forty
House
immediately
plate.
ordered it to attack the enemies and capture Shirahoshi. So the Kraken jumped into the battlefield and began
At
attacking
isang
Luffy's
motor
men.
plate.
Suddenly, Luffy recognized it as Saruman because he had painted into his
Ayan.
men when they arrived at the Fishman
Tapos
Island.
na.
And Luffy saw Sarume as his friend. Everyone thought Sarume was attacking
Dito
Luffy.
naman sa
But
kwan yan,
surprisingly,
sa
he
sticker.
was very happy to see
No?
Luffy. So,
Kaso yan.
Luffy immediately
Hindi yan
ordered
nagbabol
Sarume
sa
to fight,
sticker talaga yan.
making Forty's henchmen frightened because they didn't expect the Kraken to obey Luffy.
Okay,
And Luffy
so
told Sarume to protect Shirahoshi, making
ayun na.
Luffy very relieved.
Tapos na.
Forty was very angry at this moment. Luffy
So kung
decided
install ka nito, kailangan mayroong barina.
very annoyed because his faction was being overwhelmed. So he immediately set traps for Luffy's group, while Hyuzu was focusing on Zoro and Brook.
Mabinta
They
ito
were both
ganito.
very strong swordsmen, making him excited to find them. On
Mabinta.
Chopper's side, he was controlling the tank chain of the
So,
Fishman gang,
Cost
but
ng
they were scared to flee.
materialis
Suddenly,
is
Chopper saw Daruma. So, he ordered
maabot
Usopp
lang ng
to shoot,
150
but he kept
pesos,
hiding
no?
underground, making
At
Usopp
lahat ito
unable to aim
150.
and shoot him. Unexpectedly, their tank fell into Daruma's trap, making the Fishman pirates
Binta
very
mo ng
pleased. Seeing
350
approaching, so he
or
decided to
400,
show
meron
fight,
kang gan.
but he unexpectedly fell into
250.
his trap, making Daruma think he
Ang
was a fool.
installation,
Seeing his
kumalayo,
weapons falling into the enemy's trap made Frankie furious.
additional.
Thus, he immediately threw Nami's group out. So, Frankie started to combine his robots together, making Usopp and Chopper excited.
Ayan.
After a transformation process, finally, General
Next time
Frankie
naman tayo mag-live.
defeated Chopper. And Luffy feel it was very
Ang
cool.
gawa natin.
Well, the Fishman
Bye-bye.
pirates were
Ingat.
shocked because they didn't know what it was. But Nami didn't care at this moment. Frankie remembered his previous research. He had studied many designs by Vegapunk, so it helped him create General Frankie. When the Fishmen attacked him, they were easily defeated by Frankie, making Usopp and Chopper excited. At this point, Frankie continued to draw his giant sword and continuously attacked the Fishman gang, but when he used his guns, he had to go out and shoot himself, while Usopp and Chopper were very excited. Nami felt it wasn't cool at all,